Hello friends, this is Malhar and you are watching DM Talks. So let's start. Our today's topic is strings using library functions. And our today's table of content is string functions and program on it. So let's start. String functions. String handling functions are predefined in a header file known as string.h. Now let's see some functions related to string. The first function is strcpy. It is used to copy string2 in string1. The function strcat is used to concatenate string2 at the end of string1. The function strlen is used to find the length of a given string. It will always return us an integer. strcmp is used to compare two strings. If both the strings are same, it will return 1, and if one of the string is greater or lesser, then it will return 0. Then there are functions to convert our string in uppercase and lowercase. For lowercase there is a function known as strlwr, and for uppercase there is a function known as upr. Now there are two functions strc AR and strstr, which are going to be used in pointer, but let us get brief information about it. In strchr, it will return our pointer at a specific character which are defined in our function, and in strstr, it will point to a sentence or a word which is specified as a string in our function as in s2. Now let's see program related to all the functions we have seen till now, but we will see these two functions when we are going to see our pointer chapter. Till now, if you have any doubt, you can tell us freely in the comment section and we will reply you as fast as we can. For that, please like the video, share it and subscribe to the channel named DM Talks. Now let's see one program. So this is the basic program which we have seen in our first video of string, that is the part 15. If you have not watched that video, then first go to the I button and watch that video, and after that you are able to understand the thing which we are going to do over here. As we are using string functions, for that we have to add this library, that is string.h, the predefined library in our C language. So here we have to deal with the two string arrays, that is first is hello and the second is world. Now let us one more string, that is string2. So here to copy these two functions, we have to write a function known as strcpy, and in which we have to copy str1 in str1 in str. Now let's build it and run. So we have our answer world, which is our string str1 and copied to hello. Now let's concatenate. Therefore we have to add cat, and now build it and run. So here we have hello world. In concatenation, you need to remember that the string s2 will add to the end of string s1. Now there is another function to compare. it will return us an integer, therefore we have to write %d. Here it is -1. Therefore both the strings are not equal. Now we want to get the length. Therefore we have a function len in which we have only one string. Therefore we have to find the length of the string str, and it is also returning us an integer, therefore we have to write %d. So for the answer is 5. In strlen it is not counting the null character. It is only counting the words or the characters written in a string. It is not counting the null character. Now to convert in lowercase. So let me change, and it is returning a string, therefore we have to change it to s. Now run. So it is converted to lowercase. Uppercase is converted into lowercase. What if we do like that? H is small, E is large, then L is small, and O is also small. Then let's build it and run. So we can get the same answer. All string is converted into lowercase. Now for upper, this is the function, and it is also returning the string. And for that, hello, run. It is converted into uppercase, and the same thing. Now let's build and run. So it is also converting into uppercase. So these are the function used to manipulate a string using a library known as string.h, and these functions are mostly used in programming or when you are doing the projects. So please remember all the functions, what are the functionalities of it and how to use it, and main important thing is to remember the syntaxes and what to write as the parameter. So here we are going to end our video. If you have any doubt related to C, you can comment down freely. Like, share and subscribe the channel to get more informative videos related to programming. So till then, thank you. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.